Okay, so we've got another deep dive ready to go.
Sounds good.
We've gotten a lot of requests recently.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, people want to know about Lion's Head.
Ah, Lion's Head Classic.
Exactly, a lot of interest there. But the thing is,
Yeah.
they don't just want the usual tourist stuff.
Right. They want the real deal.
Exactly,
Yes.
they want to know how to experience it like a local.
Insider track.
Yeah, exactly. And, maybe find some hidden gems along the way.
Some off the beaten path stuff.
Exactly, like secret spots and tips that only the locals know.
That's what we're talking about.
And luckily,
Yeah.
we found this really cool snippet about Muki Ventures.
Oh, yeah. They're doing some interesting things.
Yeah, they offer these guided tours of Lion's Head.
Guided tours, huh?
Yeah, and they're all about giving you like a truly local perspective.
So not just like, following a guidebook.
No, like experiencing the mountain through the eyes of someone who lives and breathes it,
I mean, wouldn't you want that?
Yeah, totally. Like imagine discovering all these hidden spots and hearing stories that you'd never find on your own.
Yeah, I think a lot of people maybe underestimate the value of a guided tour.
Especially for a hike like this.
Yeah, I mean, Lion's Head can be pretty challenging in parts.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And having a guide there who knows, the terrain, the safest routes, all that stuff can make a huge difference.
Absolutely. It takes a lot of stress out of it, especially if you're not, an experienced hiker.
Exactly. And plus you get all that extra knowledge, about the history.
Yeah, like what kind of stuff?
Oh, the ecology, the maybe some local legends.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Things you would never know. Just, walking around on your own.
And they can point out things you wouldn't even notice.
Exactly.
I've always wanted to see the sunrise from Lion's Head.
Oh, yeah. It's supposed to be incredible.
Yeah, imagine standing up there as the sun comes up over the city.
Golden hour magic.
And speaking of getting the best experience, this Muki Ventures Tour actually offers a sunrise hike.
Oh, wow. That's smart.
Yeah, it's the perfect way to avoid the crowds and, get those epic photos.
Yeah, timing is everything with a popular hike like that.
Oh, for sure.
Weekdays and off-season are usually good bets if you want to avoid the crowds.
Okay, good to know.
But yeah, that sunrise hike is next-level strategy.
Yeah, you're literally getting ahead of everyone else.
Exactly.
And I'm curious about those hidden gems that they mentioned in the snippet.
Yeah, what do you think those could be?
I don't know. I'm picturing like secret caves or breathtaking viewpoints that most hikers never find.
Oh, yeah. Or maybe like a rare flower that only blooms in a certain spot.
Oh, wow.
Or a unique rock formation with a cool story behind it.
Yeah, something like that.
It's those little details that really transform a hike from, just a physical challenge to like a truly memorable experience.
Totally.
It's like you're uncovering these hidden stories within the landscape.
Yeah, and most people would just walk right past them.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've uncovered a lot here. The allure of a locals only experience, that's huge.
For sure.
And the benefits of a guided tour. The safety advice, the insider knowledge.
Right.
And of course, timing is everything for the best experience.
Couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
So here's something to think about, as you're planning your own Lion's Head adventure.
Okay.
Beyond the practical tips, finding those hidden gems and getting that perfect sunrise photo.
Yeah.
What kind of personal connection are you hoping to find on this journey?
Ooh, that's deep.
Every hike is a chance for self-discovery in a way.
I like that.
And Lion's Head, with its rich history and its breathtaking beauty,
Yeah.
it offers a particularly powerful setting for that kind of exploration.
That's a great point.
So yeah, think about that.
Definitely food for thought.
Absolutely.
All right, well, that's our deep dive on Lion's Head.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.